Okay, I think you might have gone through the case study of this one. It is a very interesting one. It is a real case. Only thing I changed name finally instead of the Reena Singh as the Rani Singh. Only one change I made because it is an unethical thing to mention a person to help. Okay. So some of you know about that one. Why I selected this case study means everybody know the product, the dress wears, everyone know. That is the reason why I selected from the dress materials, because otherwise only computer science may know something, biotechnology students know something, psychology students know different thing. To have a common practice, I selected this case study, and that person is the heroine of this case. Of course, the changed name. Rani Singh is from Bangalore. She is an entrepreneur and she started her journey even in 1990s as a designer. But she faced a lot of problems when he entered in the entrepreneurship because she was a freelancer designer only. When Uniqlo, I think some of you know about the Uniqlo product. In case of Bangalore, it is coming, especially recently in case of MG Road, Brigadier Road Circle, they identified one place, Uniqlo. I don't know whether they already entered into Bangalore or not, but those who are in Delhi, you know about that one in Ambience Mall, Uniqlo, you might have seen. It is from Japan and they entered into India. When that company entered into India, they were worrying about because most of the designs are from Japanese style and Philippine style. Whether these designs will be accepted by Indians, they were having such doubt, and they find it very difficult to know what will be the minimum value of the dress materials. Okay, so they find it very difficult to know the. I think some sound is coming. Okay, yes, you can mute yourself. I will give time. Mm. So what
Hello,
this Uniqlo
hello,
did?
hello.
Yes, who are you?
Huh?
I think some.
So you can mute, unmute him.
Yes, I muted. I think his name is something Sanu. Okay. So what that Uniqlo did? They identified the designer. Of course, they asked from number of designers for Uniqlo. Finally, they selected the, as per our case study, Rani Singh, but real name is different. They selected, and you know why they selected the Rani Singh, because she created a, of course, prototype. Then she proved as a mini value product, MVP. Because in case of India, if you are preparing a nice dress, it will be costly. Of course, only during marriage occasion they will wear. But Uniqlo is not going to identify only the marriage location. Since it is an clothing company, they have to find out market for any time. So they asked about the product, and this Rani Singh designed that one. And first she designed number of kurtas for Uniqlo, and all are priced highly because they have to pay the designer more money. You may not believe, for one design of kurta they have to pay 2.5 lakhs, because such type of goodwill she is having. One design, the dream design, they have to pay. But when they marketed in Delhi in Ambience Mall, The product is nice, good. They have not received acceptance from the customer. Customer is coming, seeing an ambient small. Oh, it is nice, nice. But seeing the price tag, oh, huge money. We can't afford that one. You know about the Delhi people.
Yes, sir.
They, yes, nice. And they used to buy for wear for 1 month, throw it away. I don't know what is the practice now. If anybody is in Delhi, you can tell your views. Hmm? So that is the thing. They are not ready to buy for a high price. So what happened? This Rani Singh worried much. She designed well. Of course, she is from Bangalore. In Bangalore, the trend is different. We will go for any product, and in almost all the occasions we used to wear. But in Delhi, it is not like that. So she is worrying about which type of kurta will be the acceptable by the customer. Minimum viable product. So she is asking the opinion from you. You are going to tell now. You can show your product. Yes. Who is going to be the moderator now? You can come forward. Who? Yes, come on. Somebody can come forward.
Sir, I'll be the moderator.
Yes. Angel. Huh? Your name. Good. Angel is going to be moderator. So, dear students, you can chat with Angel and she will tell who is going to present. If you want to present in Zoom, you can do, or if you want to post in the WhatsApp group, I will see the image in the phone also, because I am seeing all of you in the screen. I will also see in the in the mobile phone the design. Everybody can see that one. You can choose any media. Okay, Angel, I will share, give the permission to you as an co-host. You can switch on your okay. Mm, yes, I made it Angel as the co-host. Now you can inform Angel about your dream product and she will permit. Okay, over to Angel. Yes, Angel, you can identify who is going to present.
Sir, the first person is Josh.
Josh. Okay.
Josh Dragni.
What is that name? Josh?
Oh, that's me, sir. It's Joshua.
Joshua. Okay, Joshua. Nice. Uh, oh, you have posted the product? Josh Dragnell. Ah.
Yeah, yeah.
Oh, nice color. Huh? Okay, Josh, tell me about your product. I have seen the product. Huh? It very light color combination. I think
Yeah.
whether you are able, oh, you can't see that. Ah. Yes, everybody is seeing from mobile, so don't worry. Start, Joshua. Why this is the MVP according to you?
So it's because it. Uh, I chose this because of its simplicity, but yet how elegant it looks.
Mm,
I mean, even the little pattern it has. I mean, it has
mm,
an alternate color, the blue colored one with blue with
mm,
white, like like flowers on it. But then I kind of felt like this one
mm,
uh would please. I think would please most of the women other, because I'm not sure how they think. But then it kind of looked like mellow. Because these days either like the customers, they would choose a very like very like very attractive pop
mm,
colors, or it's gonna be the other way of the spectrum. It's gonna be like very mellow. So I chose, like, why not just choose a mellow colored, pinkish, where most of the
mm.
girls would like it. So I thought this would be nice. So that's
But
the
the
reason.
price you have mentioned 990 rupees.
Yeah, so I mean, that isn't that kind
Mm.
of reasonable?
Do you think that it is reasonable?
Yes,
Mm,
sir. Actually, that is reasonable. I think people would
mm.
buy. I mean, around the 900 range, because
They will buy. Eh,
yeah, it's actually kind of cheap, sir. So
ah. Okay, anybody is accepting Joshua view that If any girls you are ready to buy for 990 rupees, Angel, you can identify some of the students to support Joshua.
Sir, I won't buy, sir.
You will buy. You are
I won't
supporting
buy.
Joshua. You won't buy.
I won't
Joshua,
buy.
Joshua, you can find one supporter for you, Joshua.
Uh, mm,
You
I
can
know.
call Joshua, your supporter from
Mm.
girl side.
So if it's guys, I would have called easily. So girls,
Okay, I will give you that chance also.
so but I want to know like why she wouldn't buy it. Can I get a reason for that?
Yeah, that customers won't tell, now they are all customers.
No, so, 'cause
That
sometimes
is
you
the
know feel
business thing. That you must know. You can't ask the customer that why you are disliking. You can't ask. Even in
can't that
case of
no can't
cinema.
it be like you can see if it's going to be a startup and if they don't feel like then feedbacks are like
Yes,
commendable, right? So
that is the beta testing. We
okay,
are
okay.
now concerned with MVP. You know, if this is a beta testing, you can ask Angel, "Oh, Angel, why you are not preferring?" You can get the feedback. But this is the MVP. That's
Hmm.
what you must know. Okay, MVP means they won't tell. That is why I told. In case of Maniket Travels, they won't ask why you are not preferring this. They won't ask. It is
So
purely
can I,
based upon yes or no. Mm.
so can I try to answer that why she don't want to buy at the 900 price of the
Ajay, the same problem. We are discussing only MVP, not the other one. In case of the testing, beta testing or test marketing, you can ask Angel why you won't buy. Okay,
Okay.
you must know this difference. That is the purpose of this case study. Hmm? Yes, Joshua will tell. You can find any of our students. All are your friends only. You will have at least one referee from here.
uh, Rahul, so is Rahul there?
Rahul there. Rahul,
Yeah, I am there, sir. I am there,
yeah,
sir.
whether you are ready to buy. Yes, Rahul is there. What Joshua is telling,
S-
you are ready to
Sir,
accept.
it's a girl's product, sir.
So
Okay, bro,
why
you can
can't
reject it.
you
No,
can't also tell your suggestion? No, whether you will accept or reject. Let
Yeah,
us.
sir. The thing is like if you are getting in a reasonable price a
Mm,
good quality product, then you should always opt for it. Why to buy some certain amount
yes,
of
yes,
things
that
like
is
in numbers
Rahul. Stop,
which are
stop.
not going.
You
Yes,
have to
sir.
say only accept or not because this is not test mark. You should not say the answer. If you say
I
answer,
would.
competitor for Joshua will find out and rectify. Joshua will out of market now. Okay,
Sir, I would accept it, sir, because
accept.
in a
Okay,
reasonable
good.
price, you are getting a good quality product.
Mm.
So,
Okay, okay,
yeah.
good, Rahul. So Joshua is having one acceptance. So
I think
if
I might have another one from the girl side, I guess.
girl
So
side, so if you
yeah,
are accepting, you can show this mark in your Zoom. Hmm?
yeah.
Hand mark. I think Glinda is showing, Rahul is showing 1, 2, 3 only. Oh, nice. Oh, Joshua is getting some acceptance. Good. Okay, Angel, you can call next. Mm. Good, Joshua.
Thank
Sir,
you, sir.
Ah,
sir,
yes.
next Rahul.
Next, Rahul. Mm.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Sir,
Rahul.
sir, I have chose this product because of its color, sir.
Mm.
Means like it's a quite means a good color to look upon, and
Mm.
most of the girls nowadays prefer this color.
Mm.
Even it can go up with your white pants, like, and even you can wear it up in the as a formal getaway also in
Mm.
colleges, and even since like nowadays means uh, rather than means like girls prefer to wear something means which
Mm.
means makes them look ethnic, like, and there are since there are also some word means like this quality of the cloth means like it shows that it's a pure linen cloth and a cotton wear also, so you can get over it in summer and in all festive seasons also, and all types of like means party wears and
Mm.
all. And even the thing is that since it gets up a quite essence of both Western and Indian format. Since it's a like traditional wear, means like it's a long kurti, so means like girls can wear it up in festives and means like parties and all. And even it's a Western type also, like you can go up upon with palazzo and all. Like here the
Okay, enough,
manipul.
Rahul. Enough. Yes, who are all supporting Rahul's?
So me.
Yes, you can show the hand mark there. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, nice. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Oh, no, you are having good response now. Huh?
Yes, sir.
Even from girl side. So you know the behavioral pattern of the girls. Neuromarketing. Good, Rahul. Okay, over to Angel.
Thank you.
Mm.
Sir, there are no issues if the products are repeated, right?
But you should not repeat. That is the reason. Okay, anyhow, no problem.
So there are people with the same products.
Yes, no issue. But they have to answer, justify in different manner.
Okay, so next is Ruby Roy.
Sir, I had chosen the same product that Joshua chose.
What Joshua is chosen?
Yes, sir.
Ruby Roy, yes, same product. You have to tell other reason other than the Joshua. Not the price. Other than price, you have to justify anything.
Sir, I actually wanted to ask if we can reduce the prices.
You are going to reduce the price. How it is possible?
Sir, I'm
That is the
asking if it
issue.
is
Yes.
possible or not.
But this product, I don't think it is. We can reduce the price.
I was thinking 800.
You are going to sell 800 rupees.
Yeah.
Okay. So if this product is sold in 800 rupees, it is considered as the minimum viable product according to you.
Uh,
Tell
okay.
any one reason so that you will get more voting right.
Okay. So the reason that I chose was it. If it was me, I mean. So just a minute. Let me just figure it out. So it is both minimal and it has a print as well. So the ones who like plain colors and the ones who like printed ones, both can actually think about this product. So it's not that, oh, it has a lot of print, I don't want it. Nobody would say that because it is minimal. It doesn't have that issue. And um, sir, if I was selling, I could have actually um, told the people how it can be accessorized into looking ethnic, also Western. So uh, they can style it in both ways. It depends on what accessories are you choosing, your style. So it can be both ethnic and uh,
So on same reason Joshua told. Okay, how many of you are accepting Ruby's view if she is going to sell, I think 880 rupees?
no 800.
800 rupees. Oh,
Yeah.
nice.
And it is also daily wear. So you can
Daily casual wears. 1, 2, 3, 4, then 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh, 8, 9. 9 students are voting for you. Okay, Angel, you can go to the next student. Good, Ruby.
Thank you, sir.
Sir, next is Nochi.
Nochi. Okay. Yes, come on, Nochi.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, I think Romi is the first person who has posted something in the group, sir, about the kurta. So she forgot.
Kurtas. Okay, we'll wait. Next we can call Romi. Because we are given power to Angel. She has to decide. You can text to him. Even you can text in the WhatsApp group. No problem.
Sir, Nochi just joined, so I think we'll go for Romy then.
Okay, Romi. Okay, Romi. Oh, that black color. Romi.
Yes, sir.
Yes, start. You have mentioned 1,490 rupees kurta. Huh?
Yes. So it's other than the price, the design, I like the design, the color, and its symbols are designs are also symbols are. Then it's made of fabric, made natural fibers,
Mm,
and the design is premium lines,
mm.
linen, then 100% cotton. That's all, sir.
You have to tell about customers, whether customers will like. You may like. Whether the
Yeah.
customers will like, are you sure?
No, sir. I'm not sure, sir.
You are not sure. As an entrepreneur, you should say,
Yes, sir.
you should be a confidence. Mm.
So it should be according to the feedback, sir.
No, remember that this is the MVP. Only in beta testing we'll have the feedback. Mm.
Oh, yes, sir.
So you assume that this product will be a good one.
So usually all the people prefer for blue, sir.
Mm.
And then the design also is simple.
Mm.
It's perfect for like casual wear, sir.
Okay. How many person will give voting for you? You can tell before voting itself. What,
Sorry,
Romit?
sir, I'm not sure, sir.
You can tell why.
Huh?
You are an
Sir, I really
entrepreneur.
sir, my
Out of these
friends, sir,
50 friends, how many of you
10
accept
to
your
15.
views? Yes?
10 to 15, sir.
15. Okay, now you'll start voting. How many of you are giving? Ajit has given, Angel given, Anish given. Oh, nice. 10, 11, 12, 13, Boni 15, Irsko 16. Oh, nice. You are having very good voting. 16% like you. Huh, Romy? Good. Angel, we can move to next.
So next is Justin.
Justin.
Sir,
Yes, Justin, start.
yes, sir. So the why I choose this product was because of the design, sir.
That light green design.
Yes, sir.
Oh,
So it can be used both as a casual as well as a formal because presence of collar.
mm,
And the second thing about the price, sir, its website has already anchored the price. Like it was 2490, it has come to 590. So
oh,
in the Indian mindset, people will always go for a lower price if shown a reduction from the original price.
good.
I think this will be a MVP product for the seller, sir.
According to you, this is the MVP. But according to you, the price is the factor. So you are telling this reason.
Yes, sir. Price and the design, sir.
Price and design. Oh,
Instead
nice.
of buying a formal as a casual, this act as both.
Mm. Okay, how many of you are supporting Justin? 1, 2, 3, 4. Then this said 6, 7, 8 only Justin. 9. Okay, for Justin, you are having only 9 respondents. Why? So I think they are expecting more price maybe. Huh? So
Yes,
you
sir.
are ready to market this product. Huh? Okay, Angel, we can call next.
Sir Nochi.
Nochi. Yes, Nochi. Yes, I'm seeing this product. Nochi, I've seen your product. Where are you? I think she's not there. Oh, now
She
only is joining.
again she's I think she's having some network issues.
Yes, now I think joined. Nochi, it is your turn. Okay, you can call next. After that, we'll give you the chance.
So next is Sabha.
Sabha. Okay, Sabha. Sabha.
Sir, am I audible?
Yes, ma. Audible. I will
Uh,
see your product first. You can start, Sabha.
Okay, sir. Sir, I chose this kurta because of just one main reason. That is, it has pockets.
Mm. Oh.
There actually, yeah, there was a study conducted which I read like very old. That was an old study, which in which it was shown that women would prefer dresses or anything, any kurta or anything with pockets than without pockets. So I think this would be an MVP product. And then it is also made up of linen. Linen is supposed to be a sustainable material. Plus, it absorbs sweat and it is easy to dry. And then the price of linen per meter would range around 64 rupees to 100 400. So pricing is also fine, like 990 rupees. And then this kurta is also, it can be dressed as an multi occasional wear, and also used as fusion wear. So that's what my reason would be.
Oh, main reason is for pocket. Huh?
Yes, sir. Even I
Yes.
would prefer dresses with pockets.
Oh, nice. How many of you are going to vote for him? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Very good. It is moving fast. 6, 7, 8, 9. Oh, 9 students accepted, ma. Okay, good. You got main. Next, you can call Angel. Sabat did well.
Next is Ajit.
Ajit.
My product is the basic reason for choosing this product is because it is white in color.
Oh, white color. Okay, okay.
And
But you have not mentioned the price. Have you seen the price in online?
I'm not sure, sir.
What? Why you have to tell? Yes.
And you don't need to worry about what to wear with this. Actually, white goes with everything, and you also don't need to worry about the shoes because white is the kind of color which goes with everything. So the jeans or the pant or the shoes you don't need to worry about. And white is kind of classy because and this product goes with the formal as well as the casual, and it's
Yes.
looks kind of brandy or something like that. So
So if you are a designer in Uniqlo, you will design for white cloth. Huh? Yes.
not
We'll
every
see.
white stuff, but this is like royal, like something.
Oh, royal line. So what is your expectation before going for voting?
10 something, so
10 something. I expect more. What, Ajit? You should have confidence now. If you
It's
are
my
boldly
view.
selling,
It's my view, sir. I can't expect people to just go with my view. Right?
that should not be there. You should be confident that as an entrepreneur, basic quality. Since I made for all these 50 students, I expect 50. Everybody will vote for me. You have to tell. That is the entrepreneurship power.
Okay, like 15 to 18, sir.
15 to 18. Once again, you are not this side or that side. Okay, let us see. Come on, students who are going to say in favor of Ajit. His expectation is more. 1, 2, 3 from this side. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Oh, you got 9 so far. Huh? 9.
Only,
Oh,
only 10 will support.
yes. Good. Anyhow, I accept you. Very nice. You. Good. Okay. Angel, you can call next.
So next is Freda.
Freda. Okay.
So, sir, I chose this kurta because it's pastel colors, which many people have been preferring in these.
Mama, what is your whether you posted in WhatsApp?
Yes, I posted it. It's the
What
yellow one.
Yes, Freda. Yellow color with this one.
Yes, sir. So this kurta can be worn with, if you prefer like a casual look, you can wear it with jeans, or they can like mix it up and wear it with patiala pants, or they can style it however they want depending on their preference. And they can also like easily get simple if they want a simple look, and they can style it with simple jewelry, or if they want a fancy look, they can styled with fancy jewelry. So it basically depends on what type of look they want. They can easily get this with one kurta.
Oh,
And since it's cotton, they can wear it for every day as well because cotton material is suitable for Indian weather.
so what is its price?
Um, so I feel the price is reasonable on this side because cotton is quite expensive.
Cotton is quite expensive. That you know, that is important thing. Our customers will prefer. Huh? That is the reason. Okay, Freda, we'll see. What is your expectation, Freda? Before that,
15?
how many of our friends are going to accept your product?
15, sir.
15.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, Joshua accepted. Yes, now you can start. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh, only 8 on here only. 9, 10. So totally 10 for you, Freda. Good. Mm. Yes, over to Angel.
So next is Jagat Joy.
Jagat Joy. Okay.
Yes, it's the same product, sir.
Same product.
Yes, sir, but
Same yellow color product.
no, not yellow. The next one, blue color.
Blue color. Packet. Which
Right.
packet?
It has a plain design, sir, and it's blue color. It won't get that dirty easily, so it can be used casually as well. And the pockets are also provided, so women usually don't like carrying anything in hand, so pockets are a big plus point. So if it is available for a price range of 700, I think it's the more.
700. You are ready to sell for 700.
Yes, it would be a nice product, sir.
So based upon the price, you prefer and color blue.
Yes, sir. And
So
pockets,
you,
sir. Pockets are major aspect, sir.
as that she already mentioned.
Yeah.
So according to you, your preferred color is blue.
So it's standard color. Everyone likes it.
Oh, blue means according to you, everybody likes.
Yeah.
Do you think that our students will accept you?
Yes, I think.
You think? Yes. Let us see how many of them are going to mark. Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yes, 9 people accepted your views. Okay, Jayad, good. Your view is different. Over to Angel. Next, you can call.
So next is Meenu.
Meenu.
Sir, can you hear
Yes.
me?
Yes, Meenu.
So the product that I sent is the blue one, the blue
Same
kurta.
blue.
No,
Oh,
no,
no, no,
it's
different.
different. The
Yes.
main focus point here it's not too long, sir. It's short and it's elegant because most of the women, when they go somewhere, their clothes get caught somewhere. So that wouldn't happen if the length of the kurta is small, and then it wouldn't constrict the movements. If you're gonna walk, it's not gonna constrict our movements. And also, the price is very reasonable because it's only 590. And also it can also be a status symbol because if a woman wears something new, other women will be like, hey, where you got this, and the other woman should say
That
a
is the
reasonable
ego
price.
state. Good.
Yes, that's the status symbol. So, and the color and the pattern is very mild and elegant, and it's in trend also, sir. The baggy fitting, not tight fitting days have gone. So I think this would be a great product, sir. Yeah.
So according you, whether you will buy first,
Yes, sir, I would.
you are ready to buy. So
Yeah.
you are going to Delhi and buy that one. Okay, Meenu. We'll see.
Thank you,
So
sir.
how many of you are supporting Meenu? One. Very slowly it is moving. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, nice. 11. So you got 11 points, ma. So high points. So Meenu blue is liked by everybody. So you got very good acceptance from our customers. Okay, thank you, Meenu. Over to Angel. We can call next.
So next is Glenda.
Glenda.
Yes, sir.
So
So
Glenda.
yes, sir. So the dress that I chose, it's a dress, sir. It's not like a kurta, and which can also be used as a kurta later in case you're going to a traditional place.
Mm.
or where family members are there.
That white color you mentioned.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. So in that case, maybe you can wear a nice pant below it. It could be of any color because white would go with anything. And also, I choose this because it's below your knee, and you can wear a jean jacket over it, and you can wear a hat or any accessory if you're going out on a tourism trip. It could be
Mm.
anything, and it can be for both casual as well as for or any events like functions. And I thought the price would be good because we wouldn't want to wear anything that's very common that everybody's wearing, right? So 990 is not that expensive for you to actually spend and get a nice clothing for yourself. So that is why I thought it would be good, sir.
Oh, according to you can see she mentioned tourism. When you are moving out, you can wear a hat and take very nice pic so that our people will accept, because according to her, I think Delhi is having more tourism attraction. Hmm? Okay, Linda, what is your expectation, Linda?
I don't know, sir. I hope guys would like it because
You
yeah.
have to tell that is
And it's for
100%.
all,
Yeah.
it could be for all women, sir, like about 15 itself.
15
Because
itself.
that, yeah, 15 itself, because it doesn't body shame you in any manner. So it's comfortable. And so I think everybody, even married women, can also go for it.
Okay, we'll see how many of you are voting for him. Yes, start your voting. Oh, nice. According to you, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay, 11, 12. Oh, you got 12 acceptance from your friends. Hmm? So I think your minimum viable product will move. Hmm? Nice. Okay, Angel, you can call next.
So next is Sayuj.
Sayuj. Yes, Sayuj. Oh, one black color with the design. Sayuj, you are here. Unmute yourself, Sayuj. Now you can talk. We are unable to hear your voice, Sayuj. You are talking, but I am unable to hear. Whether anybody is hearing his voice?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Sayuj, some issue with you. Or check whether your microphone is working. Mic is working. It shows in the image that you are talking, but we are unable to hear. Okay, Angel, you can give next chance. We'll move on to next student.
So next is Ahmed.
Ahmad. Okay. Come on, Ahmad.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. So
Ahmad, I am unable to hear. Same issue. Ahmad, check your network.
hello.
Yes, now it is audible.
Yes, sir. All right. So I also did not choose a kurta, sir. I went with the dress because I love the way it is. I love the price of it. 990, very reasonable for that kind of particular cloth. And the best thing is it is tight on the top and then loose on the bottom. So for summers, it's like the best cloth that you can go for. It is nice and airy so that you feel nice and cool. You can do anything. You can add a denim jacket on it. You can add a brown shirt, a brown shoes, or any jacket, any accessories will go very well. It goes on all occasions, is what I feel. Especially if you use it in metropolitan cities, it is pretty common. So, yes, sir.
According to you, metropolitan cities, it is very common.
Yes,
So
sir.
girls from metro, they used to prefer all these things.
Yes, sir. Not just there, no, everybody will wear, sir.
Everybody
For
will.
such a price, for such a less price you're getting, sir, it is very good. So yes.
From your place, I think you are from which place? Mysore.
Yes, sir.
In Mysore, whether they are wearing all these things?
Now they started, sir.
Now they started. Good. You can. That is very good answer. Yes, who are all supporting Ahmad? Ahmad dress. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Wait, so 11, Ahmad, you are, it is not moving more than 11. Hmm? Good, Ahmad.
I'm fine with 11 happy customers, sir.
Good, that's it. Okay, good, Ahmad. Angel, you can call next.
The next is Flency.
Sir, you should also vote, sir.
Yes, now I can't vote. If I vote, others will feel guilty. That's why. Hmm? Don't worry. Hmm. Okay. Who is next person?
Flency.
Flancy.
Sir, I chose this product because, first of all, red is a bright color, and it stands somewhere between having that formal look and that party wear as well. And also, if you notice, it is having polka dots design. From a long time, polka dots designs have been in the market, and it's always trending. It's even trending right now. So it has changed its form and come. And also to point out, it's a kurta dress. So kurta dress is much popular among the, I think, the younger generation, like in the youth mainly. So say in a place like Delhi or even in Bangalore, it is very popular, and girls do prefer wearing that, and that's why I choose this as my MVP.
Okay, good. So you mentioned the dotted color. That is very nice thing. Okay, what is your expectation, Flancy? How many of you will vote for you?
So 10.
10. So you need only 10 customers at present stage. Okay, you can start voting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Exactly, Flancy. You got your expectation. I think you are seeing your lucky number. 10 is your lucky number. Exactly 10 votes for you. Good. That means hair matching is going according to the expectation. Good.
Yes, sir.
Now over to Angel.
The next is Mehra.
Mehra. Yes.
Sir?
Yes, ma. We are audible. Good. Start.
Yes, sir. I chose a black kurta.
Oh, black color.
Because of yes, it's very common color, and people usually buy black kurtis, or be it any dress or whatever it is. They usually prefer black, and it can be worn as a casual or a party wear, or it is preferable by all kind of people. So that's why I chose.
Whether people will prefer black, you will prefer, because you young people will prefer black. But usually black, in case of some other countries, is used for and the negative reasons also.
Yes, sir, but
But you are
still, it's a
having
really good color. So I guess
because
people
some
will.
boy side I accept, and most of the boys used to come in black dress, black shirt, and they used to call them as a group of blackies. Okay. How many of you are supporting Mera? 1, 2, 3, 4. Angel is giving different symbol. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Very nice. Oh, the black is having 14 acceptance. I think including boys are voting for you. So I think the trending color at present is black. It is understood.
Yes, sir, it's always trending.
Oh, nice. Good, Mera. Yes, Angel, next.
The next is Neha.
मम्मी नहीं है इधर.
Yes. Next, who is the person?
Neha.
It's me, sir.
Neha.
I choose that wine color sweater, seeing the weather of Bangalore, because The Bangalore weather is one thing that anytime it gets cold, anytime it gets hot. So it is a very preferable clothing and it suits for everybody. And plus it has sleeves and it is round neck. So I think there's no way of body shaming or body disgrace in that. And it is again a full length. So I don't think if anybody's feeling more clothes, they can style it with a jean or a leggings or over it. It will look very nice. And plus it's a wine color, so it will suit all skin type also.
So according to you, it is suitable for any weather. But you are telling about the Bangalore. Our case studies belong to Delhi.
Delhi weather also it keeps raining. So Delhi, Bangalore is almost the same. It keeps raining there also.
In Delhi during winter time, not so much rain. During chill season, it is very chill. In summer season, yes. Okay, Neha. How many of you are favoring Neha? She assumed that she is from Bangalore. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. You are having 7 votes only. As I think they are all ready to come to Bangalore. Okay, Angel, next.
Sir, next is Abu.
Abu.
Yes, sir. So I
Yes,
choose the
Abu.
black kurta because it's
Same
simple and
black.
it's easy. Like same black. And they mentioned in the description that it's wrinkle resistant. So even even a woman being home, a housewife, they can go outside and buy the groceries without even changing. Like the same dress can be worn outside and inside, and it's easy. Like there is no much of a complex color. It's like a simple design, but it's not so plain also. So it's like in between. And black is like it goes with anything. Like most of the color, it goes with anything. So black.
Usually black refers to negative, no? Only in case of
So it's
death
in
or
some
something.
culture, right? So there's a cultural difference. So in India, like it's not much of a negative. In US or the European side, it is. So like right now we are focusing on India, right? So
So according to Indian, you are
yeah,
preferring black. Huh?
Yes,
Okay, let us see how many of you are voting that pure black. Yes, you can start voting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Oh, it stopped with 9 for your black. For your wrinkle-free black, only 9 voted. Previously, some black they voted for more. Okay, good. Angel, you can call next.
So it's done, sir. It's over.
Over.
Yeah.
What about others? Some of the students they are not doing. Now you can call anybody. Others. Let them speak.
Sir, like anyone from the list?
Other than those who are presented.
Sir, Parvati.
Parvati. Parvati.
Yes, sir.
Tell which type color you will prefer based
Yes,
upon the.
sir. I'm posting, sir.
So I have already posted. Can I go?
Okay. With Purushothaman.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
So, like I chose a white color on the basis of design and like it has buttons too. So like it's a bit pricey, but quantity over quality over quantity. So so you can open the open the button and make it a fashion. Put the button on till waist. Put the button on till waist and make it as a fashion. So it's cotton.
But it price is 1,490.
Yes, like it's your money, sir. You are putting it, so you can go quality over quantity. Like you can go with a 590 or 892. Like, but how long it's gonna work? Like in Delhi, like sir, people go with fashion, So it's like 3 in 1. You can go with different fashion. Yeah.
Mm.
Like you can go like you can wear it as a kurta. You can wear it as a layering too. Both. Yes, sir. That's
Oh, it is 3 in 1. Your
Yeah.
answer is something different.
Yes, sir.
Okay. And so it
You
is
can have
just
many fashion with it, right?
with white color. Huh?
Yeah, and it's a very elegant color too. So
Mm.
yeah.
So you can see Purushottam idea is different. Opposite to black, he mentioning white. So something acceptance. You will see how many of you are voting for him for white color. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Oh, nice.
Thanks.
Oh, you can see black and white is having good acceptance. Good, Prasanman. Angel, you can call next. Good.
So next is Parvati.
Parvati, are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Sir, I choose a long yellow dress, sir, because I choose the yellow color, sir, because it is very vibrant color. So it can be worn in a party or can be used as a casual wear, or sometimes it can go with some formal dress too. We can add up with some overcoat or something like that. It's also suited very well at this 590 price. This yellow dress is very reasonable, I should say that. Then most of the ladies do not go with sleeve. Some ladies choose sleeveless too, so that type of people can choose the sleeveless, and it can be worn in winter season, so they can be add up with some jackets so that they can wear in any time. So I will choose go with this.
Oh, you can see color preference is something nice. As Parvati is preferring yellow color. And that too with 590 rupees. It is mentioned like that. So Parvati, do you feel that most of you will accept your yellow color?
Yes, sir. Why not?
Okay, we'll see. Rome started. How many of you are say supporting Parvati's yellow color? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Oh, nice. Parvati, you are having 13 supporters, huh? Customers.
Thank you, sir.
13 customers you are having. Oh, now Rahul also raised 14. It goes to. Oh. So nice. 14 customers prefer yellow color. Next to black. So black and yellow is fighting now. Good. Angel, you can call next.
There's no one, sir. Sir, it's over.
Yes, you can call anybody, others, anyone.
Okay.
Because there's a tie, between black and yellow.
Sir, I would call Shion Anto.
Shion Anto.
Yes, sir.
Yes, Shion.
Sir, I will send it right now.
You can send quickly.
So I would go with the red one. This one.
Red one. Oh,
yeah.
You
with
prefer.
the patterns.
Your native is?
Kerala, sir.
Well, from Kerala, you are preferring red color. Good.
So actually, the combination of red and white, the primary red and the patterns, white patterns, I think it's very elegant. So I think many people would choose it, and red is a very attractive color. So
but the price is mentioned 990 rupees.
Yeah, price I would decrease it. Actually, I would make it by 600 to 750 range. So I think
people will like this red color dot. Huh?
Yeah, maybe sir. No, actually, pattern is very what is a very common, and if I am buying a shirt, I would choose a like a plain shirt, not a plain shirt, but I would choose a shirt with a pattern. So I think that would.
So you are confident.
Yeah, I'm confident.
Oh, let's say how much person will accept your voice? Are you able to tell?
Maybe 15, maybe
15. So you are expecting more, for that red dot. We'll
Yes, sir.
see. Yes, now you can vote. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It stopped with 8. Okay. Yeah.
Okay, thanks.
Yeah, we're having 8 votes with red dot. Your confidence level is good. Mm.
Okay,
Okay,
thank you, sir.
Angel. Now you can conclude your views, Angel.
Yeah, sir. So I could see most of the products were repeated. It may be because of their preference.
Mm.
Then there were a variety of products like the Western wear, the short kurtis, the kurtas, and the three-in-one piece. So and the products chosen as MVP, the people who chose the products, they kept in mind the color preference of the customer, maybe the patterns and also the materials, everything that would like give more comfort to the customer. So mostly everyone gave the features and chose the product according to the current fashion and the market trend.
So whether you are voting for black or yellow?
Sir, black.
Black.
Yes, sir.
Are you sure?
Yes, sir.
Are you confident?
Yes.
Okay, good. So Angel did a nice job. You know, the answer is also black. According to the Uniqlo survey, they mentioned that they all posted that one, the other dress, it is unable to move. It finds very difficult. So recently, in Uniqlo sales person disclosed that the person from Bangalore designed, but only one design, that is the black, is having the trending. They also mentioned that it is the minimum viable product. Even though it is priced 990 rupees, others are, some of the products are priced less. They find it difficult to move. So they conclude that the black dress is considered to be the minimum viable product. So now they given the person, the designer, of course, Rani Singh in our case, to her to design the color based upon the black. And the price should not exceed 990. And you know, the Indian mention, you had to cut one price and mention the less price. That is the Indian psychology, that we are going to buy with heavy discount. That is the essential qualities of the minimum viable product. You have done very good job. Everybody mentioned different job. It is good. But since it is a 50 platform also, the sample of you are able to clearly judge the black. Same thing. Enter New Delhi sales from Ambience Mall. They also declared as the black. Now this Rina Singh, oh, that is his original name. She is designing the black color kurtas for the Uniqlo. Okay, that is the minimum viable product. This is how the minimum viable product will be identified. Okay, good. Thank you, Angel, and all the students. Done well. Okay, we'll meet with next case study based upon the prototype. So coming week, be ready with your prototype. You have to show your dream prototype on next Thursday. We'll see. Until then, goodbye. Another thing, try to complete your assignment also. I hope you will do. Bye. We will meet on next Thursday.
Thank
Thank you.
you, sir.
Thank you.
There's no question for the second hour.
Yes, second hour we will have the case study.
No,
Huh?
sir. There's no question for the second hour attendance.
Yes, no question. This is a case study, you know.
Okay,
All
sir.
of them posted. If those who are not posted, try to post in the WhatsApp group. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Thank you.